Hey everyone, Aaron here. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful project management tools out there, ClickUp. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, or part of a team, ClickUp has got you covered. So let's get started with getting familiar with ClickUp as a beginner. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform designed to help you manage your tasks, projects, and teams efficiently. It combines the features of many other tools like Asana, Monday, Trello, and so on into one cohesive package. From task management and time tracking to collaboration and goal setting, ClickUp does it all. Today, we'll break down everything you need to know to get started and become a ClickUp Pro in no time. If you're ready to master ClickUp and take your productivity to the next level, stick around. We're going to walk through the basics step by step. Let's get right in. First things first, let's set up your ClickUp account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to clickup.com and sign up. The great thing is that ClickUp offers a free plan that's packed with features, so you can start exploring without spending a dime. Once you're signed up and logged in, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your tasks and projects. Let's familiarize ourselves with the interface. On the left sidebar, you'll find the main navigation menu. Here you can access your tasks, dashboard, inbox, clips, timesheets, spaces, docs, goals, and more. At the top, you'll see the search bar and quick access icons for notifications, settings, and your profile. ClickUp notifications can get overwhelming. To manage your notifications, click on your profile icon on the top right corner, go to Notification Settings, and customize which notifications you want to receive. Turn off the ones you don't need and only leave the important ones on. Before we dive into creating tasks and projects, it's crucial to understand ClickUp hierarchy. This will help you organize your work more efficiently. At the top, we have workspaces. Think of a workspace as the overall container for all your work. Within a workspace, you have spaces. These are like departments or major areas of focus within your workspace. Inside each space, you have folders, which help you organize your projects or categories. And within folders, you have lists where your tasks live. Let's set up a new space to see this in action. Click on your workspace icon in the top left corner of the sidebar and select New Workspace. You will be asked a series of questions like, what do you want to use this workspace for? How many people do you work with? And so on. Give the appropriate response according to your preferences and give your workspace a name and you're good to go. With your workspace set up, it's time to create some spaces. Spaces in ClickUp help you organize your projects and tasks into logical groups. For instance, you might have a space for each department in your company or different areas of your life, like work, personal, and hobbies. To create a space, click on the plus icon next to Spaces on the sidebar and select Create Space. Give your space a name, choose the view, status, click app, and so on if it is relevant to the task you want to create, and choose a color to differentiate it. You can also set the privacy level and decide who has access to this space. Once your space is created, it's time to add some projects. Projects are like folders within your spaces that help you further organize your tasks. To create a project, click on the plus icon next to the space name and click Create New and select Folder. Give your folder a name and you're all set. Now that we have our workspace, spaces, and projects/folders set up, let's dive into the core of ClickUp, tasks. Tasks are the building blocks of your workflow. To create a task, navigate to your project and click on the plus icon to add a new task. Give your task a title and add a description to provide more details. You can also set a due date, assign it to a team member, and add tags to categorize it. ClickUp allows you to create subtasks and checklists and even attach files to your tasks, making it a powerful tool for managing complex projects. One of the standout features of ClickUp is its flexibility in viewing tasks. You can switch between different views like list, board, calendar, and table to get a better perspective on your work. For example, the board view is great for Kanban-style project management, while the calendar view helps you keep track of deadlines. Let's take a look at the board view. This view is perfect for visualizing your workflow. You can drag and drop tasks between different columns to indicate their statuses, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Now let's explore a calendar view. This view displays your tasks on a calendar, making it easy to see upcoming deadlines and plan your work accordingly. You can drag tasks to different dates and even create new tasks directly from the calendar. One of the things that makes ClickUp so powerful is its customization options. You can tailor ClickUp to fit your specific needs and workflow. Let's start with custom fields. Custom fields allow you to add additional information to your tasks beyond the standard options. For example, you might add a priority field, a drop-down, or a client name field. To create a custom field, go to your task table, select plus after the last property, and select Custom Fields. Another great feature is ClickApps. ClickApps are add-ons that you can enable or disable to customize your ClickUp experience. For instance, you can enable the Dependencies ClickApp to set task dependencies, or the Sprints ClickApp for agile project management. To manage ClickApps, go to the All Space settings and select ClickApps. You can also customize the appearance of ClickUp to match your preferences. Change the theme color, enable dark mode, or rearrange the layout to create a workspace that feels just right. To customize the appearance, go to your profile settings and select Theme. Finally, let's talk about templates. Templates can save you a ton of time when setting up new projects or tasks. ClickUp offers a variety of templates for tasks, projects, and spaces. To use a template, click on the menu icon beside your profile icon at the top right corner, select Template Center, and browse the available options. ClickUp isn't just for individual use. It's a fantastic tool for team collaboration too. You can invite team members to your workspace and assign tasks to them, making it easy to track who's doing what. To invite team members, go to your profile settings, select People, and select Invite People. Enter their email addresses, assign them to specific spaces or projects, and set their permissions. Communication is key when working with a team, and ClickUp offers several features to help with that. You can leave comments on tasks, mention team members using @ to get their attention, and even use ClickUp chat feature for real-time conversations. Another great feature is ClickUp Docs. You can create, share, and collaborate on documents directly within ClickUp. This is perfect for meeting notes, project plans, and any other documentation your team needs. ClickUp is packed with advanced features that can supercharge your productivity. Let's take a look at some of these features. First up, we have time tracking. ClickUp allows you to track the time spent on tasks, making it easier to monitor productivity and billable hours. To start tracking time, click on the task and select the Time Tracking option in the custom field. Next, we have goals. Goals in ClickUp help you set and track high-level objectives. You can break down goals into similar targets and link them to specific tasks. To create a goal, click on the Goals tab on the sidebar and follow the prompts. ClickUp also integrates with a wide range of other tools, from Slack to Google Drive to Zoom and Trello. These integrations help you streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. To set up integrations, access the workspace settings by clicking on your account avatar in the lower left corner of the screen. In the sidebar, scroll down and select Apps. Automation is another powerful feature. ClickUp allows you to create custom automation to save time on repetitive tasks. For example, you can set up an automation to move a task to In Progress when it's assigned to someone. To create an automation, go to the Automations tab in your project's folder settings. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of ClickUp. Tip number 1 is to use templates. ClickUp offers a variety of templates for tasks, projects, and spaces. These templates can save you a ton of time when setting up new projects. To use a template, click on the Templates tab in the menu at the top right corner and browse the available options. Second tip is using filters. Filters help you focus on the tasks that matter most. You can filter tasks by due date, assignee, priority, and more. To apply filters, click on the filter icon in the top right corner of your task view. And that's a wrap. You've just completed our beginner's guide to ClickUp. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up your workspace, manage tasks, collaborate with your team, and utilize ClickUp's advanced features. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is practice, so dive in and start exploring. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tool reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.